Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Morning. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. What are we going to do
Good evening,
today?
ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Happy Dashera.
Happy Dasara,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Happy Dashera.
Happy evening, ma'am. Happy Dasara, ma'am. Good evening, 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 ma'am. Happy Dasara. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Happy Dasara. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Happy Dasara, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Afternoon. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good evening, teachers. Good evening, ma'am. Good job. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good morning. Good evening, ma'am. 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 What are we doing? Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good evening. How are you? Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Dussehra, ma'am. Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra, ma'am. Happy Dussehra. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Dussehra, ma'am. Good evening, teachers. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, my dear students. How are you all?
Good evening.
Yes, hopefully you must have celebrated your Dashera very happily, joyfully, isn't it? And today you all know we are going to complete our Devi Durga's drawing. Okay? Must be waiting to complete, right? So without delay, we will start with our Devi Durga's work. Okay? So let's get started. See, for making every drawing with plastic crayon, what we do first, we draw. Okay, this is our first step. What is our second step? Second step is we give outlines with black sketch pen. Okay, we have done. Now, what is our third step? Third step is this. We will pick up eraser and we will erase extra lines. Okay, so this is third step. Let's do it. And while erasing and see, we will be making it completely Devi Durga. Okay, that day I was planning of making half face Devi Kali, half Devi Durga. But no, we will be making it completely Devi Durga. Those who feel like to make that ways, they can try. Otherwise, it will be better that you can make one more drawing of this kind and that you fill black color and make that Devi Durga and make it completely Devi. Make it Durga and that drawing you can make it Kali. See, now what I did, I erased all extra lines. Remove all dust, okay? And while erasing, you're supposed to be very, very careful. Otherwise, what happened? Paper can be crushed or teared. So don't erase roughly, okay? Erase very carefully. Slowly, gently, and erase all extra lines. Okay? Yeah. And as I told you that day, keep your earbud and watercolors also ready. Because the complete decoration of jewelry of Devi Durga, we are going to do with earbud. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, okay. So many students have erased it yesterday only. Very good, very smart students. Okay, now you will pick up orange and skin color. Okay, you can call it skin color or you can call it light orange also. I will be picking up two colors. Okay, now first I will pick up orange color and I will start giving outlines in face. Okay, and I will be giving quite bold outlines. Okay, and while giving outlines also, what you will be doing? You will be going for small strokes and one direction. First, you will move your orange color all around. Okay, very carefully, all around. And yes, I remember I promised you that today I will be telling you the story of Devi Durga, how Devi Durga took Devi Durga's birth took place and complete story of Devi Durga and Mahakali. है ना? I promised you that day. And it's really my pleasure that I got this opportunity of sharing such lovely story with you. Okay? Because every year, twice in a year, we celebrate Nav Durga. But why we are celebrating? है ना? And what special deeds Devi Durga does for us? We should know about this. Okay? Yes. See what I'm doing? I'm moving my orange color all around. Okay, around face. And around neck also. Okay, I will be moving it around neck. And many students, what they do? They put lots of pressure on their colors. We should never do this. Okay, and many students, what they are used to? They just move their colors with a big strokes, which is a wrong technique. Okay, you will not put pressure on your color and you will not go for big strokes and you will not change direction. These three things you're supposed to keep in mind. Okay? Same ways, you will be completing nose, outline of nose. Okay, and lips, I want to make red. So I will pick up red color and I will be doing red. Okay, this ways you can use red color. Okay. Don't forget to move your orange color around eyes. Okay, orange is color of energy. And Devi Durga is energy. You know, strength, power. You must have seen Power Rangers and all. See, in real life, our granthas and our literary sources, they are real proof that we were having this kind of Power Rangers. Hanuman, Power Rangers, Superman. Hanuman is what? Superman. And you know what? His power was, he was so powerful in flying that in search of Devi Sita, in one time attempt, he just covered up the distance of 7 oceans. Can you imagine? These all are superheroes of India. Hanuman, the first superhero. Join meeting option. Join the meeting option. Okay. Yes, this ways you will be moving orange. After this, Our next color is skin color. Okay, okay. You can call it light orange or skin color, whatever. And now I will start applying this from chin. From here. Normally what students do, they start their coloring from center. Then they move sleeping. Then they move slanting. This is wrong. Always start your coloring from corner. Okay, when you will start your coloring, and don't go for big strokes. And see, while coloring, at many places you will be finding very little space. So it doesn't mean you will change direction. If you have little space, you will go for small sleeping lines. But if you started with sleeping lines, you will go for sleeping lines only. Okay? Same I'm doing. Small sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay? You will not go for big lines, small sleeping lines. This ways, you will start doing small sleeping lines. Okay? This ways. And see every stroke I'm repeating 4 times. Then I'm coming forward, then again 4 times. And while repeating my stroke, I'm not pressurizing my colors. I'm moving my colors smooth. Okay? This ways continue. And I will start with my story also. Okay, so I just want to tell you about, this is the story of many years, I think thousands of years back. Okay, and there was one a big devil, it means very cruel person, Asur. In Hindi, we call them Asur, the person who are very cruel, who don't have any kindness for anyone, those who don't have any compassion for anyone, they are called Asur. So Mahishasur was this kind of person. Now see here, students, very little space. So you will not start moving standing. No. You will go for sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay? This is. Now it's okay. If you have done this dividing line also with sketch pen, continue. It is not going to make a difference. Okay? This ways. Okay? Small sleeping lines, and I will cover my whole face. So yeah, I was telling you the story of Mahishasur. So many thousand years back, there was one Asur. Asur means a very cruel person who was not having any kindness, any love, any affection, any compassion with anyone. And the name of that Asur was Mahishasur. Okay? It was the name Mahishasur. So after creating lots of trouble in all humans' life and after doing destructive work on earth, Mahishasur decided now he will go to heavens. See students, now in Nek, I will start from here. Okay? For Nek, start from your sleeping lines. Mahishasur decided I will go to heaven, and now I will take heaven also in my custody. Okay, I will kill all devtas, all gods, and I will take heaven in my custody. So with this cruel intention, he reached to heaven and tell every devas, every god, that you please go out of heaven. Heaven is mine now. So all gods said, if you want to win us, fight with us. He said, okay, I'm ready to fight. And afterwards, there was a big fight between gods and Mahishasur. But Mahishasur was so powerful. Mahishasur was so powerful that he defeated all gods. Oh, God Indra, God Varun, God Agni, Yaksh, Kuber, all God, they got defeated. finally Mahishasur said, now you are defeated, go out of this heaven. You can't stay here now. So with very sad heart, all gods decided to reach to Lord Vishnu. Okay, how many of you know about Lord Vishnu? Show thumbs up. Do you know about Lord Vishnu? Okay, fine. So all gods, they decided they will go to Lord Vishnu. Now see students, my face and neck is done. You all have done? Have you done? Okay, okay. I can see. Continue. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. Continue. Okay. Keep doing. Yes. Then what happened? All gods, they reached to Lord Vishnu. Vishnu was doing rest on Sheshnag. The bed of Vishnuji is a big snake with 1001 head. And that is called Sheshnag. Okay, so he was doing rest. They all went there and asked Vishnuji, please do something. I can see work. All of you show your work. All of you have done? Show your work. Lift up your files. Yes, third eye also. Yes, third eye, eyelid, you will be doing with skin color. Okay, very well done. Shabash. Okay, now let's step on. Let's come back to our work. Okay, now what happened then? Lord Vishnu was doing rest and all gods, they started requesting. Students, I will pick up brown, black, and yellow ochre. These three colors. You also pick up these three colors. Brown, black, and yellow ochre. Let's complete Eye of Devi Durga. Okay. So for making Eye of Devi Durga, what I'm going to do? I will pick up my black color first. All of you pick up your black? Yes. And after taking black, first you will fill this inner circle. How you will fill? We'll start from corner and very carefully fill this inner circle with black. Okay. Same I'm going to do here. I will fill this inner circle. See, if you don't have yellow ochre, in that case, you can use yellow golden color. And if you don't have yellow golden color also, in that case, you can use normal yellow color also. Okay, anyone you can use. See, I did black inside. All of you do black in this inner circle. All of you do? Yes. Black inside. After this, I will come to my yellow ochre color. Okay, I will switch on to yellow ochre color and I will start doing yellow ochre only here. Not complete, only corner, little part. And here also. Okay, I will be doing yellow ochre here also. Apply yellow ochre here. See, this little trick will make your eyes looking live. Okay? Brown you can do. Those who don't have black, they can try black. Now I will pick up my brown color. Okay, you can pick up your brown color. And now this complete outer semicircle, I will start doing brown. I will start moving my brown from this side. And I will cover this yellow ochre also. I will move my brown over this yellow ochre also. You will also move, okay? What will happen? You will get lovely mixing of eyes. Okay? Yes. You will move brown in this complete outer semicircle. You will be moving your brown over yellow ochre also. So you will be getting this kind of lovely eyes. And you can see this little small trick has made our eyes looking so special and lively. है ना? These are the things which you're supposed to keep in mind. Don't forget this eye. Third eye. The outer circle will be brown. Okay? And inner circle will be black. If you feel that inner circle is very small, you can use your sketch pen also. Okay? Yes. Finish it. Okay? Yes. Finish it. Eyes is very beautiful part. Now let's complete hair. And for hair, I will be using brown and black. Okay, brown and black. So first I will start with my black color. And I will start doing it from, sorry, brown color, not black, brown. And I will start doing brown in hair from here. See here. Start from here. And you will go for small standing lines. Slowly and slowly you will cover up the complete line of hair. Okay? Yes, and I will continue with my story. Then they all reached to Lord Vishnu and requested, Lord Vishnu, please do something. Look what Mahishasur has done to us. He just threw us out of our heaven and now we don't have any home to stay. And he will destroy this complete world, this complete earth one day with his cruel and devilish activities. Please do something, Lord Vishnu. Kill that Mahishasur. Lord Vishnu replied, all gods, Mahishasur is so powerful that even I alone can't defeat him. If I will fight, I will be defeated. So I'm not strong enough to fight with Mahishasur. So they all decided to reach to Lord Brahma, creator of God. So they all reached to Lord Brahma and they requested Lord Brahma, please you do something because that Mahishasur will destroy this whole earth. See this ways. I started my standing strokes from here and I will complete here. Okay. This ways I will complete here. So Brahma also replied same ways. See, Mahishasur is so strong that if I will fight, I will be defeated. I won't be able to overcome him. So they all decided to reach to Devadidev Mahadev. Mahadev it means, anyone can reply. Mahadev it means Lord Shiva. Yes, correct. Lord Shiva. They decided that now Mahadev, hai na? We will go there and Mahadev will definitely help us in killing that cruel Mahishasur. Otherwise, the whole world will be destroyed. Whole earth will be destroyed. So they all went to mountain Kailash, Kailash Parvat. Kailash Parvat is house of residence of Lord Shiva. Okay. So when they went there, when they all reached there, they found Lord Shiva in deep meditation. In Hindi, we call it Samadhi. Okay. Closed eyes in deep meditation. They all started requesting, Lord Shiva, please open your eyes. See what is happening to us. Now no one else can save us except you. Please open your eyes, Lord Shiva. See, sir, what Mahishasur has done. We all are defeated and no one alone is powerful to kill Mahishasur. Now what to do? Will the world be destroyed? Then what happened, you know? They kept requesting Lord Shiva and suddenly Lord Shiva opened eyes. And when Lord Shiva opened eyes, his eyes were red with anger. Okay, lots of anger for Mahishasur. So Lord Shiva's eyes were red with anger. See, same ways I will be doing here. Brown, sorry. Okay, I will start from here. Small strokes, one direction. I will not change direction, okay? Start from this corner. Small strokes, one direction. Okay, and you will not pressurize your colors. And see how much small stroke, this much small strokes. And each stroke you will be repeating 4 times, okay? So after completing hair of this side, let's complete hair of this side also. So when Lord Shiva opened his eyes were, yes. See, we are all coloring this hairline, and after this, I'm going to wait, okay? When you all will be showing a thumbs up, then only we will step on, okay? Yes, continue. Okay, and I started my coloring from here. So when Lord Shiva's eyes were red with anger, fire of anger, fire started coming out of Lord Shiva's eyes. It was fire of anger. Then same ways Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma and other lords, they all were angry and their eyes were red with anger. And fire was coming out from all eyes, okay? And then slowly and slowly that fire got collected at a place. And you know what happened when that whole fire got collected at one place? It got converted in a very, 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 very big, huge mountain of fire. Okay? And slowly, that huge mountain of fire started taking shape. And it took shape of Devi Durga. Okay? So Devi Durga's birth is from this mountain of fire, which was created by anger of all lords. So now Devi Durga was having strength and power of all gods. And she was capable, strong enough to fight and kill Mahishasur. All they were very, very happy to see Lord Durga. Okay, they were very happy to see Lord Durga. Lord Durga, now you can kill Mahishasur. Lord Durga, rest assured all gods that, yeah, I will go and kill Mahishasur. Okay? So after looking at this, Lord Shiva was so happy. He gifted a Trishul to Devi Durga and said that Trishul is equally powerful as my Trishul is. Please keep this Devi. Then, same ways Vishnuji gifted a chakra. And different gods gifted different things, weapons and jewelry. And Himalaya Parvat, he gifted lion. Lord Devi, you please ride this lion. This is very powerful and fast. Okay? Yes. Finish hairline, all of you. Okay? Complete. I'm waiting for you. All of you finish. I started from here and I will go slow. I will go in standing line and I will finish it. Okay? Continue. Finish all of you without stopping. Okay? Yes. I can see students are still doing. I will wait for them. Finish it. Don't stop and don't give up. Okay? Keep doing. Yeah, and many students are showing their files. They have done. And many are still doing. I'm waiting for you. Okay, beta? Please continue. Yeah, very good. Many students have done. So we will just wait for 2-3 minutes so that those who are doing, they can also finish. So beautiful. Students are showing their work and it is really wonderful work. Lovely. Wonderful. Okay, efforts are really praiseworthy. Shabash. Okay, so I will continue my story. Those who are doing, they will continue with their work. Okay, and yeah, students, here also, this is also hairline. Let's complete this also. You will start from corner. This is also hairline. Do brown color here also. Okay, then what happened? After giving blessings to all gods, Devi Durga called out Mahishasur, Mahishasur, come and fight with me. So Mahishasur started laughing that you are a lady, you are a woman and want to fight with me? When I defeat all devas, that is all gods, so you are a lady, how can you think even you think about fighting with me? So Devi Durga replied, yes, you are absolutely right. You are very powerful. But if you are powerful, come and defeat me. So after hearing this, Mahishasur was very angry and he decided that he will fight with Devi Durga. Okay? Then he just came to fight. But Devi Durga was super powerful. Enough? Finish this. And when you all will show your thumbs up and show your files, then only I will step on. Finish your brown color in hairline, here and here. Okay? Yeah. Very good work. Very good and excellent work you all have done. Okay, in this ways you learn a festival. Suppose you are asked to draw a festival, so you can draw this face and you can write Happy Navratri. Okay, so this drawing is, and you can see work of your friends. See your friends have done such wonderful work. And although making face, and see students, one thing I want to tell you, in our complete syllabus, we will keep upgrading ourselves. Okay, so sometimes if you find any challenging drawing, so don't give up. This is very hard. I can't do it. What you're supposed to keep repeating in your heart? Tell me. What you're supposed to keep repeating in your heart? Anyone? Yes. You're supposed to repeat this. I can do it. Okay. And you will find everything possible and in your reach. See, black. Now pick up your black color. Show your files first. I want to have a look on your files. All of you, lift up your files. Wow, so beautiful. Lovely, excellent work. Yeah, students, you all get recording of every class as soon as the class is over. Okay, within 24 hours, you get the link of recording. So those who missed last class because of some reasons, don't worry, you will be getting link of recording. You can go to recording and make Devi Durga and coloring. Recording of making drawing and recording of covering. We provide recording of every class. Okay, now pick up your black color and start moving on brown. Okay, now see, when you mix brown and black, you get a lovely effect. Okay. So now what you will be doing, you will start moving your black over brown. This ways. Okay. So when Mahishasur and Devi Durga, they started fighting, Mahishasur was not knowing that Devi Durga is actually having power of all gods. She's so powerful. He was underestimating Devi Durga. Devi Durga killed Mahishasur with Trishul, which was gifted by Lord Shiva. Okay? And when Mahishasur was killed, all gods were very, very happy. They were super happy. After that, Devi Durga said that now I will disappear because now your wishes are granted. So all gods, they requested, Lord Durga, you please bless us that whenever we will remember you in our need, whenever we will be facing some problems, and if we will remember you in our heart, okay, with love, you will come and solve our problems. Devi Durga blessed that yes, if anyone on earth or in heaven with true heart, with pure heart, with love, remember me, will call me, I will definitely come and solve problem of that person. Okay? After giving these blessings, Devi Durga disappear. Okay? So this is the story. And today see, that time Mahishasur killed many innocent people on earth. And today also we have one Mahishasur. but the name is different. And that devil is also killing many innocent lives, playing with many innocent lives. And what is that devil? Anyone can reply? What is the name of that devil? Yes, absolutely right. That devil is Corona. Okay? Corona is troubling everyone, taking so many innocent life. So this is time to call out Devi Durga with true heart. Durga, please come and save this complete earth, this complete humankind from the devilish functions of Corona. And so very sure if we all will pray together, because always prayer goes up and blessings come down. Okay? See, with this hairline, we completed here also. Okay? Now see, this mixing of black and brown has given it a beautiful effect. Same ways we'll complete. Start from here. You will start covering from top, and with sleeping lines, you will not change direction. This thing you will not forget. Okay? And see, this mixing of brown and black has given it a very special effect. See, Mahishasur. Okay, Mahishasur. And this was the story of Devi Durga. And as Devi Durga, birth is from fire, that urja, of all gods. And because of this only, the other name of Devi Durga is Ajanma. Okay? Yes, we will be completing here this ways. After this, we'll pick up green and red. Okay? Green and red. Finish hairline first. I'm waiting. Okay, it is 5:40. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Okay? Finish it. So this is the way Devi Durga's appearance, and with these blessings, Devi Durga disappear. That any person, whether it is a young small child or an old age person or a lady or a male or a female, will remember me with true heart. I will reach there and solve problem of that person. Okay? So this complete story is in Saptashati, which we read just to show our gratitude for Devi Durga. Okay? Okay? Yes. Have you all done? Show your thumbs up. Wow, it's looking great. You are supposed to use black here also. Okay, apply black here also. After doing black, you will do black here also. Very good, very good. Because these are also hair. So here also we will be moving. So beautiful work students are showing. If anyone want me to wait, please show your thumbs down. I can see you all have done. See, thumbs up with smile. Okay, I want a smile on your face. Yes, a lovely smile. Okay, I can see thumbs down also. Finish it. Okay, finish it. Okay. Yes. Okay, it is 2 minutes we will wait and then we will step on. And those who are doing hair now, when I will step on to Mukut, this crown, so you can stop doing hair and you can start crown with us. Okay, hair you can do when the class will be over. I want to use these 2 colors. You can pick up any other colors because this crown is colorful and you are free with your imaginations. So I want to do red. So what I will be doing first, I will go for outlines in the circle. Okay? Yes. I will be giving outlines in inner and outer circle. And while giving outlines, you will go for very small strokes. Don't go for big strokes, okay? Very, very small strokes. So, students, unitedly, if we together remember Devi Durga, na, definitely our prayers will be answered and this world will get rid from the devil of corona. Okay? Because it is taking many innocent lives. You know? The whole earth is suffering. Okay? Yes. I will be doing red here. And I will be giving outlines. Okay. These are some very good stories. And see Power Rangers and all, na? So these are actually real Power Rangers. Real. And you know what? How much time they took for fighting? 5,000 years. Devi Durga kept fighting with Mahishasura for thousands of years. That war went on, and after fighting for thousands of years, Devi Durga got victory. So much of work, hard work. Start from this corner. Okay, you will start your coloring from this corner and go for standing line. And this ways you will be coloring this complete outer circle red. Okay, you will not start. Normally what students do, they start with sleeping line, then standing line, then slanting line. This is wrong. Start from corner. Okay, this is the correct technique. Always keep this thing in mind. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are doing coloring, you will start from corner and then you will not change direction. Suppose you started with standing line, so you will continue with standing line till end. Okay, this is the technique which you are supposed to keep in mind. And you can pick up any color of your choice for doing colors. Okay. Slowly and slowly. This face. Okay. Standing lines. And here also. Okay. And you know what, students, as we are covering up 2 periods for completing one drawing, it means 2 hours. So it will give you indication that where you need to speed up yourself. Because in maximum good competition, standard competition, the time limit for junior group is 2 hours only. Okay, in 2 hours you draw and you color. So this 2 hour, in 2 hour, it means in 2 periods, you are completing our artwork. So it will help you that where you need to speed up. Hai na? So this will give you clear-cut idea about your speed also. Because in competition, you get 2 hour time. In many competition, time is 1.5 hour also. But in maximum competitions, you are going to get 2 hour time. So this 2 hour class for completing one art piece will help you assessing yourself that how much speedy you are supposed to be. See, I made this outer circles red and inner circle green. Start from your corner. Don't start from center. Do green here. You can go for purple. You can go for some other colors. See this green color I will fill here. And you will be doing green color here also. Here also. Okay. This is green here, here. And you can do green in dress of Devi Durga also. Okay. And if you want to do blue or any other color in Devi Durga's, as pink is also very favorite color of Devi Durga, we can try dark pink also. Okay. So see, it's absolutely your choice which color you want to put. I will be doing green in Devi Durga's dress. Okay. Because on this, I will be making patterns with red with earbud. And because of this only, I'm using green color in my dress. I'm going to make patterns. Okay. So one color when you pick up now, finish all the work of that color. Green here. You can make dress pink. You can make dress purple. You can make dress pink, whatever color you feel like to do, you can do. Okay. I will be doing purple here. Okay, purple. Keep doing. Don't stop. Okay, keep doing. If you are on cloth, you continue, complete your cloths, and afterwards come on this crown. Okay. And you take the target that 2 hours I'm supposed to finish this work. So what speed I'm supposed to maintain. Okay. Because here in this class, you are preparing for your exams and competitions also. Even drawing exam, the duration of drawing exam is 1 hour. Sometimes in some schools. Yeah. You can use red color also. Okay. See, you are absolutely free with your color scheme. You can use any color of your choice. See, as I picked up purple, I will be doing here also. And on this, I will be making my white beads. है ना, white मोतियों की माला. Pure beads. Okay. So students, the movies of Power Rangers and all you see now are real heroes, are these gods. I will be taking yellow as I want to show golden jewelry. And I will start from this corner. Sleeping lines. I will start from top line. I will keep moving in one direction. Okay. Yes. And see, I will cover up these circles also because these circles I will highlight with earbud. So I will move color over circle also. You can also do this. Continue. And if you want to make crown of any other color of your choice, now you can do. As I want to show it golden, I use deep yellow color. This is deep yellow color, okay? And if you feel your colors are very blunt, you can sharpen your color. See, once again, all of you see, I'm starting my color from top. Okay, I'm starting from my color from here. Never start your coloring from center. Always start your coloring from top, like this. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Okay, this way. Keep doing. Small strokes, okay? Go for small strokes, one direction. Keep doing in one direction. And make sure your each stroke, see each stroke I'm repeating 4 times. All of you see? Each stroke you will be repeating 4 times, okay? Yes, finish it. And this way, as I complete it, circles I will be doing with earbud. The earbuds are going to save lots of time of ours. Pink I have. I can try pink also somewhere. Pink is favorite color of yours. Blue I have. Sky blue I have. Let's do pink here. Okay. With sleeping lines, let's do pink here. All of you see, please 1 minute only. See, for these triangles, you will start your pink from here, bottom. Okay. And then slowly and slowly, you will step on. Keep doing. Don't give up. Even if you are tired, you just keep repeating in your heart, I can do it. Keep repeating, I can do it. It will give you energy. Because when we speed up now, sometimes we feel like to give up. And sometimes we feel like to not to do. But if you will keep repeating in your heart now, I can do it. I can do it. So it will give you energy. You can choose any color of your choice. Okay. You can use orange. You can use purple. Any color. Any color. Okay, as I want to make multicolored crown, you can use any color of your choice. Okay. Now see, the crown is almost getting ready. I picked up this green color and I will be completing. And see, circles we will not leave. See, all of you see, when you start here, you will start from corner. Yes, I will be repeating colors of eye. This inner circle is black. And in outer circle, what we did, we apply yellow ochre in this corner. And afterwards, we completely color it with brown. Okay. This ways we did eye. And try this every time whenever you're making eye. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. And I completed green here. Okay, when here, I will start from here. Keep doing, don't give up. Okay, don't get tired, keep doing, very good. You are brave students. You know? Because we are supposed to keep ourselves ready for competitions. In competition, this happened. Last moment, we come in pressure. Time is about to get over. This work is left, that work is left. And at that time, what help you? Your determination that I can do it. Otherwise, if you will keep panicking and if you will start crying, will your work get complete? No. The spirit, the zeal of doing the work will help you completing your work. Okay, this ways I picked up different colors and I completed my complete crown of Devi Durga. Okay. Somewhere here also, it can be done. One color you are picking up, you apply a little part of that in dress also. That will save your time. Okay. Yes. See, this ways you will find your Devi Durga ready. All of you finish. I'm waiting for you. Okay, finish your crown. Without giving up, continue. Okay. Yes, and think as if a competition is about to get over and you have 5 minutes in hands. Such lovely color scheme you implemented, Meghna. I can see wonderful work. Even the younger ones, they have made such cute Devi Durgas. Such lovely work. Pink, purple, green. With your favorite colors, you made and decorated it so beautifully. Shabash. Very good. Okay. Continue. I'm waiting. Continue. Okay. And feel that pressure that, okay, 5 minutes left and I'm supposed to finish. Suppose you are giving exam, and 5 minutes left, teacher is about to collect your sheet. Be prepared for this kind. And because of this only, we decided that we will wind up one artwork in 2 classes. That will give you pressure that we are supposed to wind up one work in 2 classes. Okay. So you will get idea that what speed you are supposed to maintain on competition level and in your exam. Okay. Very good. So those who have done, they were showing me and they have done such great work. So beautiful. Many of you have tried sky blue color. I can see green, purple, pink. Such lovely colors you implement. And few color schemes are looking so lovely. Okay. Show your thumbs up with smile if you finished. Thumbs up with smile. Okay. Okay. And those who feel that somewhere we are left behind. And one more thing, students, I'm observing. While doing colors, the sides of your object should not be left white. In hurry, if you will leave your sides white now, it means this coloring is wrong. You are supposed to fill each and every corner of your drawing. Very good work. I can see students are showing and they have really done great work. Okay, lovely. Excellent. Okay, now are you ready for watercolors? Show thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now what colors I will be using? I will be taking yellow. I can take red. I can take green. White will also look good. White jewelry will look good. I will take little white also. This is red. This is white. Green, Devi Durga's jewelry. With green, it will look great. Hai na? Yes. So I will take only 4 colors, okay? 4 colors. You also can take 4 colors. Very good. And be ready with your earbuds, okay? Earbud. And sometimes in competition, suppose you're going for competition, or suppose any other subject's exam is going on. Time is up and your work is left. So you will not panic, okay? You will not leave your work. You will keep trying till last moment, as we are going to do here now. See, we will start with light colors, okay? So for light colors, what I'm going to do, I will be starting my work with white. Okay, take white. I will be taking white and I want to show complete string. I want to show complete string of white on this mukut. So these beads are hanging on my mukut. This white pure beads. Okay, start doing with me. You can add some other color also. Okay, as I want to show pure beads, so I'm using white. Okay, take color and see, you will take thick color. Don't take water. Then only you will get pure white impressions. Okay. I will start with my white color. I want to show this string over. And I want to show this ways. I will be showing white pearls, diamond in Devi Durga's jewelry. Okay, with earbud. And say this earbud will make your work so decorative, easy, and beautiful. Okay, and every time in class when you handle some watercolor, na, it start giving you understanding with that color. Okay, yes. So I applied white string in, and I don't forget to put white in nose ring. You can try some other color also. I just want to make it white. Nose ring also. Okay. Yes. In nose ring, when you start your coloring with light color, now, so you don't have to change your earbud again and again. Now in same earbud, I will pick up yellow. In that same earbud, I picked up yellow. And now I will be doing yellow here. Yellow here in this circle. And I want to make jewelry of Devi Durga yellow. So I will be using this earbud for making this jewelry. This was left now. I did not did colors in this. So I want to do yellow here. Okay. And here also I want to show white necklace. In this purple stripe, this white dots will look great. Isn't it? Now what we are doing? We are decorating our Devi Durga with beautiful jewelry. And we are going to use only 4 colors: green, yellow, red, and white. Okay. And this white can be applied here also. Okay. Now I will pick up. I miss center here. You just make it in center. Now I will pick up red color. Okay, red. You can change your earbud, go with same. I pick up red. And these circles were left now. Move your color and make them red. Okay, very carefully. This way, red. Okay. Then take one red pearl in center also. Okay. And white can be put here. Okay, you can keep changing earbud. Okay. And red, one very important place is left with red, and that is Bindi of Devi Durga. Okay. Now here also. Okay. Yes. Devi Durgas. And here I just want to show complete string with red pearls. As you all know, Devi Durga love red color. Okay, wherever you feel like to make. And I want to show beautiful pattern in dress with red. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be making polka dots. Polka dots in Devi Durga's dress. Okay. And this is the way you will be making your Devi Durga. If you want to put some stones here, you can just put it over here. Okay, this is your choice, how much you want to decorate. And with red only, don't forget to make three dots in background. Okay, we will not color our background, we will leave it white, but we will be taking as flower is showering. Okay, over Devi Durga. This is 3 dots you can take. You can make this dot with different colors also. Okay. Yes. And this way is your Devi Durga is ready. Now you can see after decorating, after doing work with earbud, your Devi Durga is looking so wonderful. But make sure, students, this Devi Durga is incomplete without your prayers. Okay, so like the back side of this drawing, when it get dried, you write your prayers. Devi Durga, please save our Mother Earth from the devil Corona. Okay, share your blessings. So, you know what? Prayers are the most powerful medium in this world. Nothing is as strong as prayer. Okay? And the prayers of kids, they are always answered because kids have power of faith. They trust. They have ultimate faith without doubt. Their prayers are without doubt. And because of this only, prayers of kids always get answered. Okay? So with this, okay, we exceed with 7 minutes. And I can see all are busy decorating their Devi Durgas. If you enjoy today's activity, please show a thumbs up with smile. I will not ask you to lift up your file because I know you all are busy with your work. Okay? And how many of you are going to write your prayers? Yes, don't forget you will be writing your prayers so that our earth can get rid of Corona. Okay? So with this, I will be winding up my class. Keep doing. Keep decorating your Devi Durga beautifully, lovely way. Yes, many students are showing and it's looking great. Okay. See this earbud activity. If you have one color only, you can decorate your Devi Durga with one color also. Okay. This earbud will help you getting better understanding with watercolors. You can see a touch of earbud has made this drawing so beautiful. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care of your health, students. Bye.